Alright, this is probably gonna be the longest train ever, bro. Not as long as our first attempt, though. That was huge. Alright, now we have James, so we have a better chance of survival.
Survival? What do you mean survival?
We might rip down this hill like crazy.
Oh yeah, like the other side.
No, we're probably not even gonna make it, but might as well give it a try. I like how East is mega laggy. Got laggy East is.
That's why we were going so slow.
East is
I got 14 fucking FPS.
Yeah, East's shitty Wi-Fi.
I even have Minecraft open and I'm not lagging.
I shut down Minecraft because I'm not playing it. Alright, come on, back up.
I'm gonna crash into you.
No! I'll delete your tender.
I fucking come, bitch.
Yo, chill out. Full speed ahead, full speed ahead.
Go, Houston.
No!
Oh shit, what the fuck?
we yanked him too much.
Sound like Tony now.
Look at that face. Looks like he's crying. Wait, because Gordon's a big fat crybaby.
That's you, bro.
What's up, bro? I'm gonna unfriend you. I'm not gonna say.
Let's go!
I like GTA 5. Do you play it?
No, GTA 5 is boring.
I finished the entire game when you get $10 million.
Josh!
God, where the shit are you? I had to drag you up the fucking hit.
Josh, stop eating so much, you fat ass!
You really did not hear me say AFK. I was talking to my mom.
Dude,
nobody cares! I'm just kidding.
What the fuck is happening?
Don't worry, we'll make it around this curve.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right. That thing's just gonna rip right off.
First,
I'm about to do what the coaches just did. I'm literally just about to do what the coaches just did. I'm about to rip right off.
For real.
who the hell?
Oh, that's why engines have bogies. That's why engines have bogies. So, like, bogies.
Rotation around corners.
Oh my god!
Oh, what the fuck? What did the tenders just do?
That coach. The only reason we're lagging so much is because East's crappy Wi-Fi. I'm just joking.
I'm reversing my ass.
Stop! We need momentum. Stop it.
We're not even gonna pick it up. It was my shitty Wi-Fi. Look at it. You know, it's not my Wi-Fi because I have 11 FPS for Christ's sake.
Dang, your computer's bugged.
Hey, look, we're making it up. I'm not gonna make it, we're dead. We made it!
We still have a lot of momentum. You guys just gotta pull me up. We're good. We're doing it. We're doing it. Let's go!
We did it! We're doing it! We did it! Oh, we did it.
Oh no. Keep going. Stop.
What? Stop!
Bruh. Oh no,
Why?
I'm dead. I'm dead. Guys, connect to me now. Connect. I'm dead. pull forwards. No, stop. All right, full speed ahead. Pull. Here we are.
Flying down the hill like a rocket.
As soon as we go down the hill, everybody click your tender, all right?
Roger that, dispatch.
Everybody put their scared face on. Does everybody have their scared face on? Click your tender. Click your tender now. Oh my God, we stopped lagging.
Because I jumped out. Oh, you're dead.
Run away!
Jesus. Oh my God.
Wow! We're dead. We're actually dead.
The speed we're going. Oh my God. We survived. Well, go, keep going. Don't click James's tender, it's fine. Keep going, Josh.
Hey, I'm not even near the train. Let me the fuck in.
Yeah, we're still flying. Oh no. Break!
As hard as you can!
Wow, we stopped really fast for some reason. You guys want to try and reverse up the hill? Alright, let's do it.
No. Screw that! No!
East, get in your engine or we're gonna ditch you.
Hey, I can't get in the engine! You're too fast!
I know, we go really fast. Reverse, full speed.
I'm gonna go very laggy mode.
Oh my God, we're lagging again. But we went flying down the hill.
Literally, we went flying.
East got out of his engine. We're going so much faster now.
Yeah, because it's a runaway. Don't stop until you fly into a curve and derail.
You have to feel way better.
Breakdown trains are like, ah, what a nice day to relax. Pretenders, the breakdown train's probably like, day without derailments. They're just sleeping. They hear rumbling.
Oh, we're going up this hill this time, I guess. Full speed, Josh, full speed.
God!
You serious? You went up there?
Yeah,
You're serious? Are you serious, East? East, you're goddamn useless.
Not even in my car. I'm not even in a train. What?
Yeah, we were supposed to actually go the other way, Josh. We were supposed to go to the other part of the hill. It's much easier to climb. I reverse now. I said it. Wait, wrong track. We have to go in the crossover. My bad.
Idiot.
What do you mean?
East, don't make me smack you, bro.
Smack.
The breakdown trains are like, day without derailment. Like, right, Jerome? Hear fucking rumbling coming down the hill.
You never set the points, dude. You didn't set the points, dude. Come on. Now we gotta go forward.
Josh, don't make me smack you too.
Smack me, I dare you. Smack me. Bro.
Bruh. East, you're so useless, bro.
What do you mean? I'm driving in a train.
You're driving a train. Okay, sure.
Hey, you're gonna crash right into Bill.
Dude, get in your engine. Yeah, let's just leave James behind.
No, don't.
We already decoupled.
I already.
Wrong track. What are you doing, Gordon?
Shut up!
Let me just move James up a bit.
No, just keep going. It's fine. Go backwards now. Ding, 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 Oh. Full speed. Full speed behind, I guess. Oh, this one's gonna be much easier to climb because it's like more stages. You know what I mean?
No, less stages actually.
What do you mean?
Did I say to walk on the railroad tracks because I'm a dumbass? What the fuck?
Bro just gets destroyed. Josh, keep going. Come on.
I am.
Get in the back car, stop! Oh, I mean,
No, stop.
What the hell is
Reverse,
this,
just
man?
reverse. Alright, I guess that works.
Yes,
Full speed ahead.
let's go.
Just click your tender.
I did.
Stop! Get the brakes, let me get in! Hate you guys, you're gonna skip. You're stealing 3 damn trucks. You stole 3 damn trucks.
Alright,
from
can you set the
quarry.
points, East? Can you set the points?
Yeah.
Set the points so we can go the other way down the hill, alright? Oh god, we're gonna kill Bill. I'm gonna kill Bill. Gosh, reverse, full speed. You're not seeming...
I am going full speed. I don't even know if you're going full speed.
I am, obviously.
I am. Oh, run away, Bill.
Fucking out of here. That's what Ben. That's what
Run away, Bill. Run away, Bill.
Josh, Josh, why did you stop, you idiot?
I did not stop.
Stop, let me get
Did
it.
you click your tender, you dummy?
No, I did not.
And I'm almost in. And stupidest kid I've ever met, Josh. Click your fucking tender.
How about you actually help, because since you want to be rude? Actually get Bill and help us up.
Trucks are broken, by the way.
Good for you, I do not care.
Your trucks are literally caving in on your wheels. You go forward and then they'll follow you down. Not even coupled up and they're still following you.
Oh.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh my god.
Ah, help! I'm in the last car that collapsed. Help! I'm hanging from my asshole. I jumped out and oh my god, that was crazy.
I was
Josh, just disconnect. We're separate trains now. We're both gonna go up the hill though, okay?
Can't go up the hill anymore, you stupid idiot.
No, wrong way, Josh. Wrong way, Josh.
Guys, let me in.
Look at this coach. Look at this coach. It's about to fall.
Woo.
Somebody delete that coach, please.
Right home.
Drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. Yeah!
Delete those coaches, East, and the trucks.
Delete trucks and coaches.
Oh my god, you're so fucking not helpful at all.
Look at the back, coach. Look at the back. The last truck up there. It's just doing a wheelie.
Don't delete the truck. I want it.
Of course you damn do. You want anything you can fucking get.
Shut up!
We both have four coaches. We both have...
Just
You're
murder them.
obliterated. Josh, let me in. Let me in.
Josh, stop
Get
moving.
in!
Actually, yeah, Josh, reverse. Keep reversing.
You in?
I have no idea. Go reverse, Josh, reverse.
I was letting you the coaches.
I'm gonna drop myself right off the cliff.
Stop moving. Stop moving. All right, now go forwards, and we're gonna connect to my coaches. Okay.
Oh shit.
Reverse.
Yeah, we're.
Here we go.
Are you guys gonna drop me off the cliff? Let me get in the last
Josh,
car.
click your tender.
No, we gotta let him get in the last car.
in. Wait, not.
Okay, let's go.
I'm not even in. Okay, I'm in. Go.
Stop. No, not my tender. I'm gonna help us accelerate.
Launch. Yeah!
Click your tender, Josh. Let's go. You can change your face now.
Hey. Look at Henry's face.
Reverse. E. No, stop. Okay, go. We have 8 coaches. We have 8 coaches. Just like the series.
There's a truck!
Josh, look at your eyes.
You obliterated the fucking truck! Stop, bro, you're gonna derail the entire fucking train.
Josh, look at your eyes, bro.
Guys are done.
Keep going, you're good.
Look at Josh's eyes, though.
Wait, what are you guys doing? Why are you guys stopped?
No, look at Josh's eyes.
What the fuck?
Look at his eyes.
No, I see them. They're crazy. Ooh, I'm a giant psycho. Don't you dare drop us down there. Drop me down the other side.
No, let's go together.
Click your center, Josh.
Shit! We're dead!
James!
Oh, God.
James was right there. Oh, look at his face.
I see.
Oh my God.
He was just ready for it. Oh my God.
He's like, holy fuck.
Henry's face.
Turn
Henry's
that
out.
into a video. Turn that into a
Henry's
video.
out.
I was recording the entire time.
Same.
Post it on your YouTube channel and let's do some derailments in here.
Oh my lordy lord.
Let's try to recreate some.
Where did you get those coaches from?
Yeah, Napford has a yard now.
Oh yeah, it does.
Let's
I
go
hate
that
you.
way.
I hate you so much.
Hey, can you? Hey, let's
James,
do
you can go
let's do
now.
a video in here with derailments.
All right, here we go.
Oh my God. Yeah, James is dead.
Oh my God. Ow! No.
Hey, Mike, I have an idea. Let's do a video in here for your YouTube channel, right? Recreating series crashes.
Yeah, not in this game though. CBR 3.
Yeah, let's do it. When do you want to do it? No.
Let's just do our own crashes.
Nah.
Let's recreate.
E.
I love it when you...
Wait, is there a barber shop in this game? No.
No.
There is.
Dang, there isn't.
Wait, no. There's one in CBR3 though.
I know. Oh yeah, we could recreate crashes. Oh.